welcome back to my channel. So in honor of today, the first day of fall, last night, which you guys can tell, the room is a little bit of a dimmer light and I had to put my lamp on because I decided to decorate my table into my fall decor. So in the honor of fall, first day of fall today, I launched this video. So I hope you guys like my decor and let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to start with is by putting on my like a yellowish golden tablecloth. Now I picked this color. I did have this same color last year because it really helps accent off everything else that I have on my table. So I got this from Overstock. I got it, like I said, last year. So I doubt that Overstock still has this tablecloth, but they do have similar ones. But it has these nice pretty fall leaves on it that kind of just represented the theme and the concept that I was going for, of course, the fall theme. So yeah, this is me just, evening it out, making sure that it's leveled correctly and that everything is nice and smooth. Yes, and eventually the lines and everything on the tablecloth itself will even out itself. Right now I'm just laying it out nicely on the table. Yep, I'm a little bit of anal, so I have to make sure that it's aligned correctly. All right, so next I'm going to put my table runner. Now I got this table runner from Amazon. I will link the description below, the link for this exact table runner. It came with a set of 2. I like it a lot. It has that nice gold lacy touch to it. I'm probably going to give away the second one because I really don't need 2 of them. I just needed 1. I had initially thought if this one was going to be too short that I would maybe connect the 2, but I don't need to because it was the perfect length. Right, so I had to adjust both ends just to make sure it falls nicely. Table runner shouldn't have to be dragging off the table. So that was it. This turned out really, really nice. I liked how it, laid across this specific tablecloth with this color and everything. So it doesn't match it directly, but it gives a nice accent. All right, so next I have my placemats. I got these placemats also from Amazon with this nice little leaf accent on them. The last decor I did, I had gold round placemats. This time I decided to do a rectangle placemat just to give a different look to the overall table itself. The color of the placemat is gold. In the lighting, it looks like it's, just a little bit lighter than the actual gold in the middle table, but it's still a good accent because everything kind of comes together. And in the way it matches my clock too, which is right there. So, yep, it has these nice little leaf designs on them that I really, really like. So when I saw them, I was like, okay, this would be a nice little touch, a perfect look. Next, I got these really nice bronze lanterns. Now, these lanterns I got from QVC. Now, I have been recently a QVC crazy person or fanatic, but they light up. The lighting of itself actually lasts a very long time. They can last up to a year, I believe. But I set a timer on them so that way they come off at a certain time and they come back on so that way the lighting actually lasts even longer. But yep, these are bronze. They're beautiful. I had to snag them up. I believe they're all sold out on QVC. I will try to link it. If it's not there, then that means yes, these are all completely sold out because I was on the go when I saw these, made sure. I was like, these will look perfect with my fall decor on my table. So I definitely had to get them. These are a must-have item. I do have them in another set of colors, but that's for later decor. Right, then I have my infamous velvet pumpkin. Now, I got this pumpkin last year from Etsy. I can actually look up, and I'm sure the vendor is still there on who actually created this. So she had velvet pumpkins and she customized them. So I had it customized to the Williams family, which is the last name of my husband and I. Then I got these amazing pumpkins that actually also light up. And I also got these from QVC as well. Now, I was contemplating doing them alone or without a stand, but I think I just ended up just testing it out and seeing how it would look. So there you go. I took my white stand, my infamous white pillars, and then I put that right pumpkin on top. Yep, I think that looks nice. So I'm going to leave it just like that, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side because it gives like a nice high-low structure. So you see the lanterns are at least 21 inches high by themselves with the ring. And then you got my low pumpkin with the Williams family on it for velvet. And then now you have these huge pumpkins on the pillars that actually give a nice, more heightened structure on the dining table itself. This little pillar itself is giving a little trouble, so I had to do a lot of adjusting and fixing to make sure that it was straight. Don't drop them now. Okay, so there we have it. My two pumpkins standing up nicely. Then I got these nice little gold with like some light accents, like some shimmery accents on them. These I got from Amazing Savings. Now, I don't know if Amazing Savings is different stores all over the place, but they do have them in New York. They have a couple of stores. And these, I actually had these last year as well, and I loved them, so I kept them, and this is why I'm using them again. And I got these nice pumpkin fall looking plates from Wayfair. So I got these because a set of 4. They're actually glass. Last year I had these ones from Dollar Tree, but this time I actually got these glass plates. So I will be utilizing them and reusing them again. But yes, this is the concept I was going for. A nice little fall look. Now I have I will post the link, of course, with that below. Now I have these nice napkins. I also got these from Wayfair. They match the tablecloth. So as you see, certain things are like the colors are bouncing off each other. Things are starting to offset. Looked a little more uniformed. So I got them. Yes, I got these from Wayfair. They were a nice cheap set. It actually came with more than 4. It came with like 6. So I can always intertwine and reuse them at different places. But yes. Then I got these really pretty orange pumpkins. Now, I got these from Dollar Tree as well last year. I love these pumpkins. They make a great accent to your table, right on top of the napkins. It kind of gave that final finishing touch look to that table, that plate setup. So when I put this tableware in my head together, I knew that these accented pumpkins were going to do the job. Then I had them in a lighter gold color, which went perfect with the table runner and the middle of the table accents. Now I have my infamous cups. And these cups, of course, I have to have them on my table because they are my Moscow Mule Cups. They are rose gold with a little gold handle, and they match everything. And these cups, of course, have the W on them. I linked them in my last table decor. I can link them again in this one, and you can put any initial you want. Then, of course, I have my infamous white cups. I got these, my white wine glasses. I got these as a gift. I love them. They're specifically gifted to me for my table, so I'm going to make sure that I keep them on my table. And these are really, really nice. Also a nice little finishing touch. Then I got, of course, my little candle holders, my geometric ones. They, just to add that accent to the dining table itself. You always have to look at things and make sure that it is to your likings. Last but not least, I have these nice 2 glasses. Like I said, I have got these as set as 4. I think one of them broke, but I wanted to add them to the table. But there you have it. This is my fall decor with my beautiful lanterns, new plateware, diningware, and my pumpkins. And these are all timers, so they will cut off for themselves. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me just give you guys a little bit of a close-up so that way you guys can see exactly how it looks. So yep, this is a close-up of the actual tableware and how it came out. Right, you see the nice velvet pumpkin with the Williams family, and then you see all these huge, beautiful light up pumpkins. But it came out so nice. And I am absolutely in love with how everything turned out. Yes, that is the Williams family up close and center. Right. So there you have it. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.